right, happy Wednesday. The market's not closed yet, about 20 more minutes, so I thought I would do a little wrap up here. So this morning I left you somewhere in here, and when we came up here to this strong range, I missed that short, but then I got into this one, and then a couple minor longs in here. Tough morning, just ugly. Finished with about 16 points total for the day. So I stopped at my normal stop time. Then I came back at my normal start time. So this shaded area here is when I'm typically not trading. I was watching and I would have for sure been in that short, but I did not allow myself to enter that trade. Why? Because it was my no trade zone. Today I told the group, I told my traders, today's the type of day that is going to expose your weaknesses. I said it actually a different way. I said, today will test your discipline. Will you pass the test today? So I'm really disappointed I missed this long. I gave this level to you on Tuesday. I'll include the link below where I talk about that level at 46.50 is what I said in the video, but it's actually 46.25. And several of my traders took that long. One is actually still long at this exact moment. It's the only reason I'm watching here is I'm trying to help him manage his trade because I believe there's a good probability that we might squeeze up to here. Now, when this beautiful bounce happened, I mean, geez, and this one was within a point of happening, and you can see the back test. You can see these levels have remained important. But when we bounced here, one of my traders said, should he take this short? And I said, no. Why? Because we accomplished a major goal. If you're in our group, you know this is the bottom of a large time frame range. Once you have the bounce and you are going up with aggression, don't counter it. I said, if we get up over it, no more shorts. No more shorts. We came up here to the overnight low, couldn't get past it. We have now pulled back, gathered more buyers, 3-minute front side here with a volume imbalance and a fair value gap, and now we're going back up. Will we take out the VWAP and keep going? That'll be very interesting. Let's go check everyone else out. Russell is getting over its VWAP, still well under yesterday's low. Dow is within yesterday's range, about to battle its VWAP. NQ is over its VWAP, over its opening, but still under yesterday's low. We are at VWAP in the opening. We are at VWAP in the opening and still under yesterday's low. These HBs are the halfbacks of yesterday, so we are well under the halfback of yesterday's RTH. So here we are now battling the VWAP. Are we going to get up over it? I don't rightly know. I never know. We're just good at determining where will price probably bounce. That's what we're good at. We're good at drawing lines that bounce. If you want to learn that, check us out at microstrader.com up here and look at our membership options if you want to learn how to trade these, how to draw these bounce levels and draw them. So I'm real interested to see if we can actually do this. I'm hoping so for Jackie. Jackie had his best day since being in the group. He's done really well on this trade. He has 2 contracts left. And so I'm hoping that this thing can pop the VWAP and make it up because we have this RTH high here. What a delightful pool of liquidity. We have the London overnight high here as well. And so if we get a nice squeeze, it seems like this 85 is a perfect level for us to go hit. I do not know that to be true. All you can do is enter your trade. Right here, we enter our trade. We keep our stop behind bounce levels. So as price is moving this direction, newly created bounce levels are made. We keep our stop behind those bounce levels. It's like we're playing a game of chess. So here's a let's say a bounce level, and my stop is here. And price is up here, price up here, and it comes back. I expect it to bounce off this level, thereby protecting my stop. That's the game we play. Unfortunately, he doesn't have any more bounce levels. So it was really important for us to get up over this VWAP because that would show strength of the move. I think that would really get all the shorts out of the way, and this thing could really move up nicely. As long as we stay under VWAP, I think the bears are slightly emboldened, but there's only 15 more minutes. I don't trade the final 30. The only way I trade the final 30 is if I'm in a trade like Jackie is right now. Trying to stay in your runner and perhaps get a really nice move. So we're cheering for him for this thing to get up. And Jackie, one of the things that I want you to do when you're listening, make sure you keep switching between like the 1 and 3 minute. Don't be glued to just one. If you haven't switched time frames in the last couple minutes, you're just staring. And the goal is, yeah, you want 1 minute protection levels, but then you really want 3 minute protection levels. Then you'd like to have 30-minute protection levels if possible. You know what I mean? So try to upgrade your protection layers, your protection levels as price moves into your benefit. So don't just stay stuck on the 1 minute. Make sure you're switching them up, my friend. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. Are we going to pop this VWAP or what? So I'll have to go back in and analyze my strong levels again. Some of them will not change. Some of them will probably be removed. But I'm just really stoked about that. So on Tuesday, I gave you that level. I gave you all of these, really. So that's really cool. All right, can we get up over this? That's going to be the test here. If we can get up over that, because NQ is over theirs. Let's go and look at everybody again. Whoa, look at that. Russell is over theirs. Dow is battling theirs. NQ is over their VWAP, over their opening. NQ, and this is the ES chart, and ES is here. You can see just how important this is, because we can get up over that. That might be an interesting move. If NQ can get within yesterday's range, that is going to be positive. This is looking pretty good for Jackie's long here. So when I miss a trade, and trust me, I tried to be long several times. Once we bounce off these high time frame levels, I'm dropping in time frames looking for my entries. And let's just go to a 1 minute chart, because a 1 minute chart will show more of my entries. So I was actually long here. I was long here, but when the price came back, it got me out. I was actually long on this white candle, came and got me out. I'm done. Today, I would call myself, I told the group I was going to call myself Mr. Missed by a Tick Goodfellow. I can't tell you how many trades I missed my entries by a tick. Or I got a good entry, price moved in my favor, I put my stop at a 1 tick profit, because I don't allow winners to become losers, and it comes back and gets me. I mean, today was just Mr. 1 tick. Yeah, I was up 16 points today, but I feel like I should be up 30-something points. So it is what it is. There are easier days to trade. This is just slop and chop. That is very, very difficult to trade. You better have a really good system. You better know where you're at on the chart and when you should be going short and when you should be going long. We were playing this short beautifully. I think, did Justin get a 20-pointer on that today? Let me go check this, 20 points. Yeah, today, yeah. He got a 20-pointer on the short. So somewhere in here, he got in and made 20 points. So he made 20 points on this short. Jackie's going to make 20 points on this long. It's really nice that we see that really well. When should we be going short? When should we be going long? When is the short game over? And it doesn't mean that price isn't going to bounce. Because look what price did. It came up here, it bounced off that. It came up to this strong level, bounced off that. Okay? It came up here to the opening and the overnight low and bounced. There are bounces. But there's also high probability trades. The high probability trade in this move is long. That's where you want to be. And in this, I'm telling the traders, don't long this, don't long it. We're probably coming to right here. In fact, let me go show you something from the group. Let me scroll up. Let's see if I can find an earlier one. Because I want to show you this chart. 11:30. Okay, I'll just come down and show this one. It's fine. So as price was moving down, that's where I had. Well, it's at the end, but that's where I had my magnet. Magnet's been there for. This is where I expect us to go. Nice touch bounce, and that's really fun. And people are in that long doing really well. That's always just so exciting. Nothing will juice you more than your traders doing better than you. Okay, here we go. Here at the VWAP. This is great. Come on, get up there for Jackie. Let me make sure he's still long. You still long? Here, let's put this over here. Oh yeah, he added. Oh yeah, you added how many contracts. And that's another thing we teach in the group is when do you add to your trade? Just because I start out with one contract doesn't mean I'm going to finish with one contract. Look at this. Get up there. Get up there, man. 3 total. All right, so let's see what happens here. Very nice. Let's go check out everybody else. What is everybody else doing? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Excellent. Boom. Good job, man. Good job. Hope you don't mind me sharing this, Jackie. It's just cool that you're in a trade. That's the only reason I'm watching this intently. I'd be done. 9 minutes to the close. 9 minutes. Let me just remind him clock. 9 minutes. You could have stop 2 contracts at 50% of this 3-minute candle. So what I would do, I would take this 3-minute candle here, knock this off. What's 50% of that? And be right behind it, like 68. All right. Getting close to the close here. You're hoping for a nice squeeze up like we're getting. See what happens here. I mistyped this. Go behind VWAP. Actually, I don't even know what I mean by that. Yeah, behind VWAP's your stop, in my opinion. Clock 9 minutes. Helping him manage how much time is left. So I would have my stop here at 50% of this, or just behind the VWAP. Or just behind this overnight low. That's what these yellow dots are. It's up to you. You could have one here, and you could have one here, and one here. In fact, let me screenshot this and put that in the group. Too little time remaining to worry about protection layers now. Everybody else is done for the day. And hopefully they are not standing in front of the train. I told them no more shorts. I hope nobody tells me later you did something here and went short. No, no, no. Okay, locking in one for 20 points. Nice. Boom, rocket. Good job, man. Good job, Jackie. Good job. And what he did is he just took the strong level. I mean, I'll share with you somewhere up here. I was joking with him. I'm going to stop publishing the strong levels. Let's see. That's me sharing all of that. We're talking about the ladders here. That's good stuff. Yeah, right here, Nathan. I second your nice call at the 46.20 strong level. Bounced beautifully, George. Thank you. Somewhere he said your strong levels are money. Yeah, so it is. I hope you're using them. Nice. Go, 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 go. Ain't no lie, Justin. See, it's one of the things that's really nice about our group. We're very supportive of each other. Nice. Let me turn this off here. Off. Come on, off. 4 minutes. Clock. Come on. See if we'll hit this RTH high. Awesome, buddy. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, 2. Come on, rip it up. Rip it up. Come on, get up there for him. Get up there. Just not the prettiest day, and it's really nice when you got traders 20 points down, another traders 20 points up, and we're just seeing the price action so clearly. It's fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Let's go check everybody else out. Nice, fantastic. You wish there was more time in the trade day. Come on, get up there. Run for the door, shorts. Run for the door. Let's see. I know he went long right here. Yeah, easy 20. 30's right there. All right, encouraging him to put one stop at the 30 points because that's a great accomplishment. Time is ticking. Of course, futures trades longer than the New York, so Let's get up there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't even know if Johnny's on. It's okay. 5 seconds. So very nice. Very, 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 very cool. Let's stay on for just a second. All right, so the RTH session's over, basically. Yeah, no final pop, I agree. Thought we'd get it. You milked that one. He did. Okay, very cool. All right, guys, that's it for me. I will see y'all in the morning.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.